Thanks for tuning in. This is The Life of Miner, and let's check out week 119 of my mining payouts. Okay, so at the beginning of these payout videos, let's go over the date and time when I took these payouts. Today is July 25th of 2021, and it's about 8:15 p.m. US Eastern Time. The price of Ethereum is $2,221.48. The price of Monero is $217.21. And the price of Chia is $184.39. And checking out the difficulty, it looks like we're around 6,900.762 terahashes. And checking out the block rewards, it looks like we're averaging around 2.2 to 2.3 ETH per block. So like previous weeks, I've been mining Ethereum, and I do average around 2.4 gigahashes mining Ethereum. I've been also mining Monero, and I do average around 14 kilohashes. And I'm also Chia farming, and I do have around 737 plots. So now pulling my sell and checking out what I mined. I did mine around 0.46 Ethereum, equaling around $999.19, about 0.02 Monero, equaling around $4.25, and about 0.11 Chia, equaling around $20.07. So if I did sell everything as of today, I would have made $1,023.51. And last but not least, if you did want to check out my GPU count, I do have a total of 75 GPUs and 1 CPU. My GPUs are mining Ethereum, and my CPU is mining Monero. And of course, I do have hard drives Chia farming as well. And I do have 2 mining farms. Okay, so for this week's fun clip, I did find 2 bullish news clips on Bitcoin. So let's check this out.
Get down to the New York Stock Exchange. We've been talking Lucid, Robinhood, Tesla, and all the other tech stocks reporting this week, Jim. And then Bitcoin, crazy, 12% move there. What's happening with you? You're looking at all this stuff, I know.
Yeah, man, it looks like Bitcoin must be some sort of a squeeze. I know there are a lot of big hedge fund guys betting against it, felt that it was going to break down at 30,000, clearly didn't. I don't think people anticipated the rumor of Amazon, which is really amazing. I mean, I'm seeing the companies that report today, and no one seems to be too excited about them. I think they should be excited about Otis. I think Otis was pretty good. And then, you know what, this Chinese crackdown, I mean, Unisys all over it, but I'm really trying to get behind. What are they trying to go after? Are they trying to go after companies that target rich Chinese? Trying to come after companies that target too much entertainment? It's all over the map, and it doesn't seem to be very let's say, coordinated. But clearly there's something going on, Joe, where they're trying to make it so that we lose money.
I was dancing around that notion, Jim, trying to put together the what we've seen for the past 3 months or so, and there were things happening, big China stories prior to 3 months, but maybe even 2 months. This when they one after another that we report on either a Monday or Tuesday, and what is the common thread there? And I don't know, but I don't know whether we should even try to figure it out. We may come up with the complete wrong conclusion.
I don't know. I mean, one thing could be that they don't want Wall Street to make money. I mean, we had always thought that they wanted access to our markets. It's almost as if they decided, you know what, American brokers have made too much money, and let's shut them down. It is one of the strangest crackdowns coming from all different directions. And yet some companies like Starbucks, which reports this week, are doing so well there. Nike doing okay there. It is so hard to figure out, but I can tell you this, Joe. Every day we come in and there's a new area that makes you feel like you got to get out of it. How long can you stay in Baidu? How long can you stay in Alibaba? When do they target those?
Right. Yep. Glad we have Eunice, but we're all kind of struggling with exactly what the read is on these things. Yeah. But
well, Ray to own them. I think you got a fear owning them. Absolutely.
All right, Jim. Thanks. We'll see you in a couple minutes. Back on the street.
Looks like Bitcoin must be some sort of a squeeze. I know there are a lot of big hedge fund guys betting against it, felt that it was going to break down at 30,000, clearly didn't. I don't think people anticipated the rumor of Amazon, which is really amazing. It's almost as if, did someone leak this? We really got to prove that Amazon, because Amazon's probably, I can't think of another company that would make you want to cover your short in Bitcoin or crypto than Amazon. I mean, who? Like Walmart. Walmart, they're going to take Bitcoin. Who cares? Amazon.
Yeah.
Wow. So we got to prove this one before we just say it.
I think it is just the Amazon rumor, and it's a lot of credible companies that have actually backed crypto, right? So it's not just Amazon, it's PayPal, it's Square, it's Visa, it's JP Morgan. So it's a lot of companies, and full adoption it's on its way.
I think crypto is definitely here to stay as an asset class for the future. It goes back to some of the things we've been talking about all year. I think that it's going to become a digital currency that people actually use. We saw a lot of institutions begin to invest in crypto. A lot of retail investors, large banks that, have sort of shamed crypto have now come on board with using it and allowing it to be an investment class. You have all sorts of trading platforms allowing it. Retirement accounts are going to allow it. I think that, in terms of the growth of digital currency, we're just at the beginning stages. I very much think that we're going to get into that $100,000 mark that people talk about, if not higher. I think that, once it's applicable as a payment and we sort of see some of the volatility subside, the upside potential there is just huge. I don't think it's going away anytime soon.
Yeah, I think this is ultimately just another sort of credibility as you look, and I think it's really about blockchain. Blockchain I look at as really one of the core fundamental use cases when you looked at crypto, and I think that's really going to have an evolution across cloud and the overall software ecosystem. This is just the start, but obviously Amazon, it's a feather in the cap for the bulls, especially on the blockchain piece.
Alright, so thanks for checking out this week's mining payout. Stay tuned for next week's as well. And shout out to this week's random comment winner. And if you did want to be featured, just write a comment below. And if you have any questions you want to ask me live, I do stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/TheLifeOfMiner every Sunday, 2:30 p.m. US Eastern Time. And if you do need any type of help, definitely join the Discord. I or someone knowledgeable will definitely help you out. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you enjoyed it, sub if you're excited to see what's next. But of course, thanks for watching and always, happy mining.
Thanks for watching The Life of a Miner. This is Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. You don't want me to get angry and turn Super Saiyan, so make sure you subscribe to The Life of a Miner. I'm also the narrator. Next time on The Life of a Miner.